How to contact Expedia by phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can contact Expedia support by phone. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now it is very easy to contact them by phone as well. First of all, go ahead and then open the Expedia app and we will look for the number. So if we go from the Expedia app and then we come to the profile tab by tapping on the profile icon from the bottom right, and we will go ahead and then look for the option called I need help. So here you'll find how can we help you. You can say I need help managing my book trip or anything. So I'll just tap on it once. And here you can see two options, call Expedia or visit the online help center. And since we're learning to contact Expedia by phone, we'll just choose the option called call Expedia. And right over here you can see you have the United Kingdom number. You can also see the current time in United Kingdom is 5:36 a.m. So it's a good chance that they're not going to pick it up. So if it's within the working or the business schedule, you can go ahead and try to call them in that way. But just keep in mind that you'll be able to successfully call them once you have their number with you. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then contact Expedia by phone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.